So hello guys, welcome back to your awesome channel, Awesome Travel Vlogs, and I'm back with my new video for you awesome people. And if you are new to this channel, do hit the bell icon and subscribe button for the further updates. And if you haven't watched my previous uploads, do watch that as well. One like will be definitely appreciated from your end, and from my end, thanks in advance. So if you're wondering what this video is all about, then let me tell you that this is going to be a very interesting video and you need to definitely watch it till the end, and also share it with your friends if you like it. And so this video is all about the tips and tricks which you can use while choosing the best background music for your vlogs or videos and without any copyright issues. So firstly, let me tell you that this video has been divided into two parts, and the second video shall be posted separately after this video. So this is not going to be a video where I shall only list down my favorite background music and say meet you in the next video. So it is going to be more than that. So stay tuned till the end and watch it till the end. So every vlog gets an X factor from the background music it uses, and you just cannot use the same background music for the entire video. Thus, I will be sharing some tips and tricks for making your vlogs more interesting with the perfect selection of a background music. And if you feel it is a value addition for you, do hit the like button and share it with your friends and stay updated with our channel. So let's begin with this video. So we have many YouTube channels which provide no copyright music, and one of my favorite is Vlog No Copyright Music. I shall definitely share you the link in the description box for your reference. Now let's start exploring the various instances where you need to make use of a background music. So if your vlog starts with a morning time lapse, then the first 14 seconds of these two background music are perfect for an awesome start of your vlog. Here goes the preview. And on the other hand, for a night time lapse, you can surely vouch on this background music. Now if you have a travel shot, for example traveling by the road or traveling in a flight, then this background music is definitely for you. Now while you travel, it is but obvious that you would stay in a hotel and you would definitely want to shoot something or the other inside your hotel room, or let's say a time lapse, or you want to film your movements within the room, then this is the best match for you. as I said at the beginning of this video that this video is going to be in two parts, thus I shall continue my further video in the next part, and the next video shall include the tips and tricks for choosing the best background music. Do comment your responses in the comment box. You can even write me your queries. I shall definitely cater your query. So let's meet again in the next video. Till then, stay awesome, be awesome, and stay safe.